Dr. Stephen Groth, an investigator for a 2-year multi-center open-label trial of a new test article for the treatment of chronic hepatitis B, is asked to recruit 10 patients for the trial. It would require each patient to visit his hospital clinic a total of 20 times in the first year. Dr. Groth has submitted the initial application to conduct the trial to the EC of the hospital at which he works, and approval was given to him to conduct it. 6 months after recruiting the first patient, Dr. Groth receives a telephone call from the medical director of the sponsor, telling him the sponsor would like to amend the trial protocol. The medical director explains that the amendment is minor and that it involves increasing the number of visits to his hospital clinic from 20 to 26. Dr. Groth submits the amended protocol to his EC. Dr. Groth has been informed by the sponsor of a trial drug that it has decided to amend the trial protocol. The amendment means that each trial participant has to visit the hospital 26 times, not 20 times as the original protocol spelled out. Any protocol amendment must be reviewed by the local EC, and the change can be adopted only after the EC provides written approval for the change. This is why Dr. Groth submitted the amended protocol to his EC. The EC chair thinks the increased number of trial visits might increase the level of risk for the trial participants, owing to the increased number of clinical procedures, so he decides that a full EC review should apply. Some participants may also feel the increased number of visits would make it impossible to continue trial participation. A revised informed consent form has to be approved by the EC and subsequently signed by each of the trial participants. Note: this is a very common scenario, i.e. protocol amendments. A full EC review is required if the change may increase the risk of harm for the participants. Informed consent forms often require amendments and must be signed by each trial participant before amendments can go ahead.